Oh yeah. Just look at that. Now what should I do with these? I got it. Did you see those beautiful onions? Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today I'm gonna do a recipe I've been wanting to do for a long time. I'm on Instagram last night, and one of my friends, Larry, over at Beer and Barbecue by Larry, had posted that he was doing some French onion soup. And for the last several months, I've been dreaming up this French onion burger or French onion melt. And I know there's a couple other people that have done something similar. I think Sal over at Root Boy Cooks did a French onion burger a few months back too. Anyway, I'm gonna do my twist on it today. This is gonna be a French onion melt. I've got 2 pieces of Texas toast that have been buttered, garlic powder on there, parsley on there. We're gonna toast both sides of these on the griddle. We got some provolone cheese. We've got our beautiful onions I showed you. I've made up some garlic pepper mayo and some nice fresh ground chuck patties. These are about 1/4 pound each. And yeah, I'm doing another SmashBurger. I know a lot of people get sick of SmashBurgers. I love SmashBurgers. I love flat top griddle burgers, the crispy edges, the beautiful sear on the outside. That's how I want to do this. That's how we're going to do it. You can do it any way you want, but this is how I'm going to do mine. Let's get out to the Blackstone. Let's put this together. I hope it comes out as glorious as I think it's going to. Okay, griddle's preheated. We're going to start by getting the toast on this bread. I want to toast both sides. Now we're going to give this just a few seconds on each side to get a toast, get that butter and that garlic all together, and then I'm going to go ahead and get these burgers on and smash those down. All right, let's check these. Yep, it's looking good. We'll get that side, and let's go ahead and get these onions on here also. Man, those onions smell unbelievably good. All right, let's get these patties on here. All right, let's smash these down. Now, just like I always tell you, it's important to get a 10 to a 15 count on these smashes. It's very important. It gives you your crust and the great texture that you look for in a SmashBurger from a flat top. There's number 1, now number 2. All right, both patties are smashed. Check this bread. Bread's looking really good. Set that to the side for now. And we'll season these burger patties. Some nice sea salt. And a little bit of black pepper. These onions just smell unbelievable. I'm going to go ahead and get that all glued together with a nice slice of provolone here. Okay, we've got color coming up the sides, juices on top, just like I always say when I do these. It's time to go ahead and flip. Beautiful sear as always, never disappoints. Patty number 2. And let's go ahead and get a slice of provolone on each one of these patties. The smell of these onions and this cheese coming together is just crazy. I can't wait to get this thing put together. All right, we're going to speed up this cheese process a little here. All right, here we go. Our cheese is melted. It is time to build this bad boy. First patty. Second patty. And here's our beautiful onions and more cheese. Oh man, is that unbelievably glorious. Let's get some of our garlic mayo on here and let that all melt together. And our crown. And there we go. Let's get this bad boy inside where it's warm, get it cut open, and let's taste it. Everybody, I know I always say that these burgers are better than the last one, better than the last one. The Taco Bell burger I did, the last burger episode, the Taco Bell burger was so freaking good. I don't think anything's ever gonna beat that, but I gotta tell you what, on like a coolness, gooiness, just wanna pick it up and get crazy with this thing factor, this is basically off the charts. I can't wait to cut this open. I mean, just look at that. This is like, to me, this is like a piece of art. I don't even want to cut it, I don't want to ruin it, I don't want to eat it. Well, no, I do want to eat it. Let's do that. I'm ready to do this. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. Try to go right in the center here, diagonal. Here we go. Wow. All right, so just check that out. I mean, I actually hit my cooking temperature here. I went with a little bit of a medium, and you could see our garlic mayo in here that we made up, the garlic pepper mayo. We've got our onion layer, our burgers, this bread. Both sides of the bread, again, I did butter, garlic, and parsley. Every bite of this should be just crazy good. Let's try it and see if I'm right. Y'all ready for this? Cheers. Oh man. Wow. Just wow. I nailed it. I totally nailed it. Not that you want to see my disgusting bites, but this is just crazy. I mean, it's so good. Okay, so believe it or not, with all these good layers of flavor, the first thing I get is that butter garlic bread. And it just soaks in from there. And when you bite into it, you can just taste that butter squeezing out of the bread. Then you get into these patties. They're absolutely perfect. I love flat top burgers. I love those patties, that crust around the edges. These onions, I put a post up last night on Instagram and Facebook. I left those onions in a slow cooker all night. When I perfect that recipe, I'm gonna share that with you guys, okay? I'm not quite there yet, and when I share it, I really want it to be really good, and it is really good, but it can be better. When it gets there, I'll share it. But those onions are just beautiful. They're a little sweet, they're a little savory, and that garlic mayo just finishes this off. I mean, I don't really know how to say, I can't even describe how good it is. It's just really good. I've been thinking about this for so many months, and you know, to bring it to life, which again, it's just a burger, it's not a big deal. It's not like I invented some, you know, new thing. I know other people have done this, but this just came out great. I'm going in for a little more real quick. Hang on, stay with me. All right, it's absolutely incredible. I don't know what else to say. Shout out to Root Boy Cooks. I saw that he did something similar to this. Shout out to Beer and Barbecue by Larry. He's the one that kind of motivated me to make French onion soup today, and I thought, if I'm gonna make those onions, I'm gonna definitely do this recipe today. And shout out to my guy Lyle over at No Hippie BBQ for giving me the idea of the slow cooker to do these onions months ago. All right, that's it. I appreciate you guys so much. I say it every week. Don't forget to check us out on social media. We've got Everyday Barbecue Facebook, Everyday Barbecue Facebook group. We've got a Pit Barrel Owners group. I've got a Flat Top Griddle Owners group out there. Instagram, Twitter, you name it. Most importantly, thanks for joining me here on YouTube. I really appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see you on the next episode.